Good evening, guys. It's Donna Lisa with Zoodle Info here. I have a shopping haul. And that's what I'm going to do. When I go in and I show you something, and if I get something, then I'll come with another video showing you what I purchased. Okay? So I'm really not a lamp person. I'm a desk lamp person. I'm a floor lamp person. And, because of the other video where I went into Habitat of Humanity and they had all of the lamps, they had a special for the lamps for $15. They had a special on the lamps for $15. So I want to do a shopping haul. Excuse all this dust and stuff. There's some other things that I got and it's dirty. You find antique stuff and it's dirty. But just excuse it. I haven't cleaned it yet, but I do want to show you my shopping haul and what I got. Okay. I'm going to set them on this counter. Okay. I'll show you one by one. Okay, guys. I got some sconces. Oops. You see that? I have 4 of them for $5 a piece. $5 a piece. This came from Habitat of Humanity. This is what I got. And maybe I can pit it somewhere. I don't know where. My mom said those are outside sconces. I don't know. But I got these for $5 a piece. Okay. This I did not get from the restore, but this is something that came from an estate sale. And it's a long story, but it was free. I have 2 of those. Okay. I have 2 of these, and this is the inside. And I wanted to go with clear lamps. As you can see, I have 2 of those with the little fringe like shades that came also from the estate sale. I don't know if I showed you guys those. Let's see if we can work on that. This here is a pendant light. That's the mother of pearl and gold. Look at the top. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This was $15. And when you go there, you've got to read whatever they have marked down outside because they'll change up on you. You got to get in and get the good deals, show your face, possibly even speak with the manager for additional savings to see if you can get it. Okay, look at this lamp. What do you think about that? That was $10. I got that. Okay. All of them have shades. And I even thought about, well, maybe I can paint the shades a different color. Okay. And I went for clear because I'm really not a lamp person. So you could get something like, look at that, $10. And it is heavy. Heavy. This is heavy. And test these items. Put a bulb in these items and test to see if they're operable. Okay. Check this lamp out. What is that, a feather? Gold feather. Look at that base. Look at that base. And look at the top. The little top of it that I got. Okay. These lamps are heavy. Look at that. Okay. $10. Extremely heavy. I can barely lift them up and look at the top of it. I do have shades for all of them. Okay. Oh. Look at that. $10. And look at the little glass ball. Tie top. $10. And I was like, you know what? Let me get these just in case I need them in one of the bedrooms. Because it's 6 bedrooms. 6 bedrooms. Okay. Look at this. Beautiful. And I have a glass, well, a black ball. Excuse me for this one. And I don't know, maybe people just don't like the clear lamps. Okay. I got one for you guys. Let me show you, let me show you, let me show you. Oh my. Make room for the queen, honey. Because let me show you what I got. And you make room for the queen. Let me get over here. Let me sit this down. And let me get this. Look what I scored. Look at that. It is currently selling on Pottery Barn for $449. And I got this pendant light for $20. They didn't have, they had like a price on it. They didn't have a price on it. And I took it up there and I said, this is $10. She said, no, that's not $10. That's a $75 lamp. I said to myself, I know better than that this is like $700, $800. But I was wrong. Look at there. Look at that big kahuna. Can you look at that beautiful? And I don't even like this color. And I was thinking about painting it, but no, I won't. I'll take a gold something and put around that, this rope, and hang it up. Okay. I want to show you one more thing that I got.